Ever held on to something so tightly, a relationship, a job, a dream, a friendship, or even an old version of yourself, that it started draining your peace and energy? What if the real secret to freedom, happiness, and new opportunities isn't gripping harder, but learning the power of letting go, practicing healthy detachment, no matter who you are or what you are going through? The transformative power of letting go. Picture this: someone had spent 12 years in a relationship that looked okay on a paper but never truly moved forward. There were constant delays, excuses, one ordinary day after yet. They realized holding on was keeping them from living fully. The decision to let go wasn't easy. There were tears, doubts, fear of being alone, and many difficult moments. But they chose to release the attachment, the fear, the waiting, the hope tied to someone else's timeline. They quit what was no longer aligned, moved to a new place, and opened themselves to life again. Within a year, they met a wonderful person who showed up fully and with real commitment. Looking back, they saw clearly letting go didn't mean losing. It created space for something far better. The truth applies to every area of life, not just romantic relationships. It could be letting go of a job that no longer excites you, a friendship that drains your energy, and an old goal that no longer fits who you are now, or even resentment from past hurts. Mastering detachment and filling your inner well. Heartbreak, disappointment, or any big loss can feel devastating. When someone important leaves or a situation ends, it can empty your sense of self. But there's a powerful shift. No external person or outcome can truly break you when your inner well is full. Detachment doesn't mean you stop caring. It means you stop trying your entire happiness and watch to whether someone stays, whether a plan works out exactly as imagined, or whether life goes according to your timeline. One powerful way to build this strength is through consistent self-love in action. Instead of just escaping the pain, choose yourself every single day. Focus on your growth, your goals, your healing. Small positive actions add up. One good day becomes many. When your inner well is overflowing with the self-respect and inner peace, you can share love and energy freely without becoming empty. And when it's time to let go, you bounce back stronger because your foundation is within you, not outside. So you can imagine this metaphor of feeling a deep well, light water. So practical ways to practice letting go and attachment. Stop taking it personally. Someone else inability to comment, show up, or value you is often about them, not a reflection of your worth. Release that weight. Point number two, let go of others' opinion. Not everyone will understand your choices. Focus on your own peace and people who truly support you. Point three, embrace who you really are. Stop shrinking or pretending. Your authentic self is enough and magnetic. Release the need for perfection. Imperfect action and a real connection matters more than flawless appearance. Stop waiting for someday. Life is happening now. Make a decision and take the first step. Build your inner well daily. Do things that nourish you. Pursue meaningful work. Heal old patterns. Set healthy boundaries. And choose growth over detachment to outcomes. So detachment is quite strength. It's like floating peacefully down a river instead of fighting every current. When you let go. So when you let go, you don't lose. You become lighter, clearer, and open to new possibilities, better connections, and deeper peace. This piece is available to everyone, whether you are healing from a relationship, career shift, friendship ending, or simply ready to grow. What is the one thing you are ready to release today? So now we want to ask you something. What is the one thing you are ready to release today? It could be a limiting belief, a painful attachment, or something that's been weighing you down. Share it in comments. You never know who you might inspire. If this message touches you, give it a like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more content on personal growth, healing, and living with freedom. You are stronger than you know. Let go and watch your life expand. Thank you for watching. See you.